amazing place where we're staying. It's like a bloody jungle here. Oh shit. This is our beach hut. Say more.
Pretty excited.
Yeah. Wish we were staying here for more days. This water's so warm as well, so nice. Lovely.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Hi. Sun's here. Hi. We've come north of the beach and we're just walking around to see where it goes. It's so nice here. Who's jelly, eh?
She's so chilled.
Down.
Hi, baby. Hiya. Oh. Harriet and Sham off on a whirlwind wild adventure. Let's go.
We got to Agonda Beach. It's quite quiet here. It's nice.
Order in the courtroom.
Hi, honey.
Hello.
Hi. Just trying to clear the water from the boat. I'm nervous about sinking.
Never gonna go.
Butterfly Beach is very deep.
Come on. Dolphin watching. They didn't have me. Hi.
This is a little river. This is where we're staying, behind there. This is where we're staying. This is our little room here. Pretty awful. That there flea market. It's really nice. Yes, we're on the train now. Look at this friggin' situation. There is no room for anything up here. Don't even know where we're supposed to put our bags. But, oh well, we're going to be stuck like this for 7.5 hours. Lol. This ain't even full yet.